Making money with Leonardo AI involves using its capabilities to create unique digital products and services. Here's how you can monetize Leonardo AI. Create and sell AI art. Use Leonardo AI's art generation tools to create custom artwork like digital paintings, illustrations, and designs. Sell these artworks on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6, where customers buy prints or products featuring your AI-generated art. Offer design services. Market your skills as a freelance designer using Leonardo AI to generate creative solutions for clients. Offer custom designs for logos, marketing materials, social media posts, and website elements. Freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can help you find clients. Create and sell NFTs. Use Leonardo AI to generate unique digital art and convert it into NFTs. List your NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea and make money through sales and royalties whenever the NFT is resold. Generate AI-powered content. Offer content creation services like AI-written articles, social media content, and add copy to businesses looking to automate their marketing efforts.